I'm veterinarian Dr. John Paul Carew. I'm here with Arby and Ashley, a safety certified PetSmart stylist, and we'll be talking about grooming pets that have special needs or require certain accommodations.
This is an important topic that as stylists we actually deal with every day. We work with all kinds of pets, including those who may be a little bit older, have an underlying injury or illness, or even have respiratory challenges, to name a few. We always customize the groom to the pet's unique needs.
How do you know what accommodations should be taken?
Well, it all starts at check-in. We'll conduct a thorough hands-on pet assessment of the skin, coat, ears, nails, and teeth. We'll also chat with the pet parent to make sure we fully understand the pet's health history. It's important pet parents flag any pre-existing health issues for us and let us know about changes in the pet's health, activity, or even behavior. Especially in aging pets, we know how a pet feels can change from day to day.
I get questions about stress-sensitive brachycephalic breeds all the time. I'm sure you do too. What type of precautions do you take with breathing-challenged pets like bulldogs and pugs?
Good question. So we offer specialized care for English bulldogs, French bulldogs, pugs, boxers, and Boston terriers, and any dog mixed with one of those breeds. These specific breeds are more likely to experience respiratory challenges, particularly in stressful environments, and for some dogs, this includes places like the grooming salon. Our higher safety standards for these breeds include an uninterrupted express service provided by a dedicated grooming professional, limiting the amount of time a pet spends in the salon. When the groom is complete, the pet is returned to the pet parent immediately, so pet parents are asked to stay in or near the store during the pet's appointment. Additionally, we use other safety precautions like the use of a harness-style method instead of traditional leads, and we never use kennel dryers for these breeds. We towel dry and use a handheld dryer if needed.
Is the express groom only for stress-sensitive pets, or can anyone request it?
So the express groom is required for the 5 breeds I mentioned, so English bulldogs, French bulldogs, pugs, boxers, and Boston terriers. It's optional and can be a really nice option for other dogs who might have more anxious or temperament needs.
That's really great to know. Can you tell me more about anxious pets and how we work with them?
Anxious or nervous pets may require a bit longer of a groom. Our stylists work at a pace that feels comfortable to the pet, so sometimes that requires the stylist to go slow.
Makes sense. Is there ever a time that you turn away a pet?
Unfortunately, there are situations where we may not be able to accept a pet for grooming or are unable to finish the groom. It's a really hard conversation to have with a pet parent because we love all pets and we want to help, but sometimes it's just not safe, either for the pet or for us.
Would you mind sharing some examples?
Definitely. So one example would be when a pet has such a high level of stress and anxiety that for the safety of the pet, they'll need to be sent home and rescheduled to come back during a slower and quieter time. Another example could be a dog that was a recent rescue where their experience with grooming is unknown. We may try to work with the pet over several short sessions to ensure they feel comfortable with the grooming experience.
We do the same for veterinary visits for our rescue pets. Makes it safer and less stressful for everyone. Thanks a lot, Ashley.